A little sweet something from Patisserie Strawberry Baked Cheesecake. Ah, this is my favorite time of the year, the festive season. And of course, we need to eat. But first, some festive cheer with Alan, my brother-in-law. He's fixing my Wi-Fi. And I'm going to show you how to pimp this slice this festive season. So, set aside to defrost. We're making chocolate almond coated strawberries for that special slice in your life. You will need white chocolate, some strawberries, digestive biscuits, and almonds crushed and toasted. So let's start with the chocolate. In the microwave to melt. Melt for 35 seconds. And once melted, just leave it for a few moments to cool down. Now, the digestives, you need about 6 of them. Place them into a sandwich bag. I love digestives. They help you digest. Now, with a mug, crush the biscuits and just think of all those people who really irritated you this week. And just smack them. And smack them. And smack your neighbor and your boss and SARS and just smack them. And smack them. It's quite therapeutic. Right. And now, decant into a bowl. Now bring a tray or a bowl. Spray with non-stick spray. Now the strawberries, remove all the leaves, leaving the little stems. And holding the strawberry from its stem, we're going to dip and scoop it into the melted chocolate. That's it. A little patience as the excess chocolate drips back into the bowl. Dip the strawberry into the almonds till the almonds cover the surface of the strawberry. And keep repeating until all the strawberries are done. For this recipe, you'll only need 4, but the kids love them, so I'm making extra for them, but without the nuts, as my kids don't like nuts. And the kids' strawberries are done. And now, these two in the freezer for 15 minutes, or keep them there until you're ready to plate. Okay, now let's plate. 2 plates. 2 cookie cutters, whatever pattern works for you. First, position them off-center and using a teaspoon or a soda spoon, gently spoon into the mold, trying not to move the mold. Do the same with the second plate. That's it. Beautiful. And when done, use a brush to dust off the excess crust digestives of the plate. Just make sure you hold the mold in place. Now we're going to plate 1 cheesecake on each plate, once defrosted, of course. Using a small spatula, carefully place each slice onto the right of your cookie cutter. That's it. 1 here and the other here. And now the frozen strawberries. The ones with the nuts are for plating. The others are for the kids. Were for the kids. Now let's finish up. 2 strawberries per plate. The first strawberry placed onto the widest part of the cheesecake slice. Oh, beautiful. Now top the second slice. Now let's finish up. Now you have 2 strawberries left. These are your options. Place onto the plate like this, or take strawberry and slice in half. And place 1 here and 1 there. And now, very carefully, with much caution, you're going to remove the molds. Don't stuff this up. If you do, you're on your own. And lift! Woohoo! That is so amazing. Alan, no. Alan, no. Alan, no. Alan, no, stop it. Stop. Alan, you're busting my balls. And lastly, a few flowers. The missus always has some from the garden. And your strawberry festive cheesecake is ready. Babe, come eat. Alan, go home. Ah, look at that. Beautiful and delicious. Kids, they're no strawberries. Papa Bear ate them. Strawberry